Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I'm one of the software engineers here at PuppyGraph. PuppyGraph is a platform that allows you to query your relational data as a graph. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick demo to show how PuppyGraph can make working with extremely complex datasets incredibly simple and powerful, especially in the telecommunication field. So first I'll be walking through the schema that we'll be using today. The schema centers around the customer who files customer support tickets. They're a member of a family plan and they own a phone number which makes phone calls with other customers. This schema was created using a quick Python script that I wrote. The Python script creates 4 tables: a customer table which includes all the information about each customer, a customer calls table which includes all the information about their calls, a family plans table which includes information about all the family plans the customers are in, and a support interactions table which just includes all the tickets that the customers have filed. So now I'll be walking you guys through some queries, but first I'll introduce each query using English. So our first query is going to be finding how many churned customers each non-churned customer has contacted via phone calls and sorting the customers by the number of phone calls they make with these customers in descending order. And the next query, I'll identify the top 5% of phone numbers made by the number of calls made, and then retrieve all the support tickets filed by these top 5% of customers. Next, I'll find all different pairs of customers who have both filed support tickets, escalated support tickets, and have called each other. Our fourth query is going to be identifying family plans where none of the members have made phone calls to any other member within the same plan. And our last query is going to be sorting family plans by the number of times members call between the family members. So this is the first query that we'll be looking at. This query is the one that sorts customers by the number of calls they made with other churned customers. And so as you see here, when we query this, we'll get a list of customers and the number of calls they made with churned customers. And so this might be important in the telecommunication field because telecommunication companies might want to see which customers are most in danger of churning, and this might give a good indication of what who these customers might be. The second query is the one that identifies the top 5% of phone numbers by the number of phone calls they make, and then you get a list of the customer support tickets. This might be important because the people who make the most phone calls might be the most valuable to a telecommunication company. And so we want to make sure that these customers that are making all these phone calls are happy, and we want to look at where they might be unsatisfied through their customer support ticket filings. And so here I've also included a .path function, which basically allows you to see how the relationship between the tickets and the customers who filed them and the phone number they came from. Now here's the query that allows us to see 2 customers that have both filed escalating tickets and have called each other. And so this allows us to basically see who might be creating an echo chamber with one another, because if you have 2 people with escalating tickets, they may be unsatisfied with the company, and so if they're calling each other, we don't want them to create an echo chamber where one of them might churn or both of them might churn. And so this gives you a pair of C and callee, which are the 2 people who call each other. Here's our fourth query, which is the one that allows us to identify which family plans don't have intra-family calls. And this is important for telecommunication companies to detect which family plans might be scams, because it's really suspicious if we have a family plan where no one calls each other. And so yeah. For our fifth and final query, we wanted to look at which family plans have the most intra-family calls. So essentially, by sorting by the number of calls different family members make with each other, we can see which families are the most active, and the more active families are probably going to be more valuable to the telecommunication company. And so here we have the different families and how many calls they made with one another. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to try out PuppyGraph, you can download Docker and get started right away. Just navigate to the documentation tab under the resources tab on the PuppyGraph website for an in-depth guide about how to use this platform. Thank you so much.